Hinantin Research Group.
Pitaq payri.
Payqa Marian.
Imaynataq payri.
Payqa ancha munaychan. Payqa kusapunin kasqa.
Why should we use the Southern Quechua as writing system? The definition of a standard writing system is an important step for all human languages, as it enables development for publication on paper and digital formats. The lack of a standard writing system reveals the weak position of a language, which cannot produce formal descriptions of knowledge. In such cases where a common writing system is not available, several dialects tend to live independently while none of them is powerful enough to build a critical mass that creates a productive written language community. Some languages such as German or Hebrew were successfully created in quite an artificial way in the past, and as a result, they have been able to achieve the higher status that civilized and very productive languages usually possess.